In this video, I'll guide you through how to copy a project in Basecamp. Whether you're managing multiple projects or simply need to replicate an existing setup, knowing how to efficiently copy a project can save you a lot of time and effort. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to head over to Basecamp's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in basecamp.com. This should take you to the home page. Once there, log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to access Basecamp's features. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which displays all your current projects. Next, identify the project you want to copy. Click on it to open the project details page. This page provides an overview of everything related to that project, including tasks, milestones, and discussions. It's the perfect spot to make sure this is the project setup you want to replicate. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the project page. You'll see 3 dots, often referred to as the Options menu. Click on these dots and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu contains a variety of actions you can perform, but the one we're interested in is the option to save the project as a template. Select the option labeled Save as a Project Template. This action is crucial as it allows you to duplicate the project structure without altering the original. Once selected, a new window will pop up, prompting you to enter a name and description for your new template. Choose a name that clearly identifies the project's purpose or content. The description field is optional, but can be helpful if you need to provide additional context or details about what the template includes. There are also several options you can enable at this stage. You'll see checkboxes for Include People, Include Comments, and Remember Client Visibility. These options allow you to decide whether you want to copy over the team members and their roles, any comments or discussions within the project, and the visibility settings concerning clients. Carefully consider which elements you want to replicate in your new project. For instance, if you're creating a template for a similar project with a different team, you might want to uncheck Include People. Once you've configured these settings to your liking, it's time to finalize the template. Simply click Create Template to complete the process. Basecamp will now save your project structure as a template, making it available for future use whenever you wish to start a new project with similar parameters. And there you have it. You've successfully copied a project in Basecamp by turning it into a reusable template. This method not only helps streamline your workflow, but also ensures consistency across projects. Remember, mastering these small but powerful tools can greatly improve your productivity and project management efficiency. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and happy project managing.